During his visit to Shahjahanpur, leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha Arun Jaitley blamed the ruling Congress party of playing religion-based division politics by providing reservation to minority communities ahead of the state assembly polls. Jaitley said providing reservation on the basis of religion would not only divide the society but also deprive backward classes of their genuine rights. Terming the reservation move as constitutional, Jaitley said SP and Congress are playing politics in the name of granting reservation to Muslims, which is unconstitutional and intended only for votes.
Samajwadi Party and Congress Party are in favor of religious quota, which was directly opposed by Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. They are trying to divide society. In our constitution, we have different backward castes and classes of every community. It is wrong to give reservation to particular community. BJP will never tolerate such move.
Accusing the Congress party of nepotism, Arun Jaitley said, "Our current political dynamics will not change until politics will not get rid of nepotism." He added, political parties should encourage the leaders with good moral grounds instead of political family background.
Politics is matter of society, nation, principles and ideology. This is not the matter of the family. The class and dirty politics will not change until and unless people will not enter politics on the basis of merit. It is unfortunate that people are entering in politics on the family grounds.
Jaitley said the Congress has long ceased to offer a new agenda to the people and is solely banking on its divisive policies and the politics of reservation. He reminded that even the Constitution does not allow reservation on the basis of religion.